Hello, good afternoon. So, welcome to the pre-bid conference for civil works. Today, November 6, 2024, we will be conducting this activity for five infrastructure projects. So, before we start, let us all stand for a prayer. So, may I request the Bank Secretary to introduce the attendees for today's activity.
Good afternoon, everyone. And for attendees, we have here our back chairperson, Engineer Johnny Joe Mguel. Our vice back chairperson, we have Engineer Mario Galileo. And for the back members, we have Engineer Elidura Zulia, Ms. Joy Duspar, Engineer May Tapiano, Engineer Francisca Malcon, Engineer Rona Ortiz. And for the back DPWH, we have Engineer Jonathan Morsia, Engineer Gael Joy Galindo, Engineer Giovanni Servano. And for the back set member, we have Ms. Cherry J. Nesca, Ms. Iluminada Indencio, and Ms. Ebony Galio. We also have our back DPWH, Ms. Margie Chavez. We don't have any representative from prospective bidders to attend this afternoon pre-bid conference.
Thank you. So, for contract ID 25GE0013, for the rehabilitation major repair of bridge Bugnay Bridge B00020GR along Central Road, San Miguel-Constancia-Cabano-Igcawayn, located in Bugnay, Guimaras with an EPC of 14,700,000 pesos, funded under the FY 2025 National Expenditure Program Early Procurement Activity with a total contract duration of 129 calendar days and the cost of bid down is 25,000 pesos. Contract ID 25GE0014, construction of flood mitigation structure, construction of flood control structure, Barangay Cabalagnan, Phase 2, Nueva, Valencia, Guimaras, located in Nueva, Valencia, Guimaras with an APC of 112,835,275 pesos, funded under FY 2025 NEP Early Procurement Activity with a total contract duration of 285 calendar days with a cost of bidding documents of 50,000 pesos. Contract ID 25GE0015, construction of multipurpose building, construction, completion of multipurpose building, DPWH Guimaras DEO, San Miguel, Guimaras, located in San Miguel, Guimaras with an APC of 19,600,000 pesos. Funded under FY 2025 NEP Early Procurement Activity with a total contract duration of 264 calendar days with a cost of bidding docs 25,000 pesos. Contract ID 25GE0016, road widening at specific locations along Guimaras Circumferential Road, S0028GR, kilometer 20 plus 180 to kilometer 20 plus 480, located in Santo Rosario, Buena Vista, with an ABC of 12,211,180 pesos, funded under the FY 2025 NEP Early Procurement Activity The total contract duration of 163 calendar days with a total cost of deducts of 25,000 pesos. And 25 GE 0017 road widening at specific locations along Guimaras Circumferential Road S00028GR kilometer 84 plus 460 to kilometer 85 plus 570 located in Salvacion, Nueva, Valencia, Guimaras with an ABC of 66,812,850 pesos, funded under FY 2025 NEP early procurement activity with a total contract duration of 259 calendar days with a cost of bidding docs of 25,000 pesos. For the scope of work for 25 GE 0013, other general requirements, earthworks, surface courses, bridge construction, and miscellaneous structures. 25 GE 0014, other general requirements, earthworks, sub-base and base course, surface course, bridge construction, and miscellaneous structures. 25 GE 0015, other general requirements, earthworks, reinforced concrete, finishing and other civil works, plumbing works, electrical works, and mechanical works. For GE 0016 and 0017, other general requirements, earthworks, sub-base and base course, surface courses, bridge construction, drainage and slope protection structures, and miscellaneous structures.
Major categories of works for 25 G 0013 BRTSWOP bridges, retrofitting steel superstructure without piles. Similar categories of works BCS DP bridges, construction steel superstructure with driven piles, bridges, construction steel superstructure with cast in place piles, bridges, rehabilitation steel superstructure with driven piles, bridges, rehabilitation steel superstructure with cast in place piles, bridges, rehabilitation with board piles, bridges, construction with board pile, bridges, rehabilitation steel, bridges, construction steel, bridges, rehabilitation retrofitting. Major categories of works for 25 GE 0014. FCSPS flood control, construction, slope protection using structural measures. Similar categories of works: roads, construction, slope protection using structural measures, revetment, retaining structures, wire net. Flood control, hydraulics, river control, revetment, retaining structures, wire net. Ports, harbors, causeway. Flood control, hydraulics, dam. Major categories of works for 25 GE 0015. Buildings, construction without piles, low-rise, concrete frame 1 to 5 stories. Similar categories of works: buildings, construction with piles, high-rise, concrete frame cast-in-place piles. Buildings, construction with piles, low-rise, concrete frame cast-in-place piles. Buildings, construction with piles, high-rise, concrete frame driven piles. Buildings, construction with piles, low-rise, concrete frame. Buildings, construction without piles, high-rise, concrete frame. Buildings, industrial plant, low-rise. Buildings, industrial plant, high-rise. Buildings, industrial plant, medium-rise. Major categories of works for 25 GE 0016 and 25 GE 0017. RCP roads, construction, PCCP. Similar categories of works: roads, rehabilitation, PCCP. Roads, construction, tunnel, PCCP. Qualifiers must have completed reconstruction and reblocking, including base course, covering 50% of the item of the work of the project. May include airport, runways, taxiways, and aprons. The required pickup license for 25 GE 0013, 25 GE 0015, and 25 GE 0016 are as follows: size range, medium A, license category B, single large project above 10 million pesos up to 100 million pesos. Allowable range of contract cost up to 100 million pesos. The required pickup license for 25 GE 0014 are as follows: size range large A, license category DPWH, single largest project above 100 million up to 150 million pesos, allowable range of contract cost up to 300 million pesos. The required pickup license for 25 GE0017 are as follows. Size range medium B, license category A, single largest project about 50 million up to 100 million pesos. Allowable range of contract cost up to 100 million pesos. The general conditions of the contract, special conditions of the contract, specifications, drawings, and of quantities can be downloaded from the Philchips website and the DPWH website. These are the documents comprising the bid. Legal documents, Philchips registration, SEC registration or DTI registration, mayor's permit, and tax clearance. For technical documents requirements, statement of ongoing contracts, statement of bidder's single largest completed contracts, pickup license or special pickup joint venture license, bid security, organizational chart, list of contractors' major equipment, list of contractors' minimum materials testing equipment, omnibus sworn statement, ITR and financial statement, and FCC computation, and valid joint venture agreement if applicable. Financial documents requirements, financial bid form, bill of quantities, detailed estimates including summary sheet, and quarterly monthly cash flow and payment schedule. All documents shall be printed in A4 format, tagged and bounded. Please attach the bidding documents in the technical component of your bid. For bids to be submitted electronically or online, the following procedures should be observed following DO 87/2020. Number 1, submission of electronic official receipt of purchase of the bidding documents. Number 2, confirmation of the electronically submitted official receipt. Number 3, preparation and submission of an electronic bid. Number 4, notification of an electronic bid. 5, non-participation in the bidding. 6, withdrawal of electronic bid. 7, opening of the electronic bid. Number 8, file name convention in case of a joint venture bidder.
Bid opening for 25GE0013, 25GE0014, 25GE0015, 25GE0016, and 25GE0017 shall be on November 19, 2024, Tuesday, 9 a.m. at 2nd floor, bidding room, DPWH Guimaras DEO Engineering Office, San Miguel, Guimaras. Bids will be open to the presence of the bidders' representatives who choose to attend. Late bid shall not be accepted. Bid submission may be done manually or electronically or online. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Similar to manual submission, the guidelines for the preparation and submission of an electronic bid are contained in the BDS. Bids must be duly received by the Back Secretariat for manual submission or at electronic bids_guimaras@dpwh.gov.ph for electronic submission on or before November 18, 2024 at 9 a.m. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security and any of the acceptable forms having the amount stated in ITB Clause 18.
Are there any clarifications for the project? Since there are no clarifications for the project,